The big story is it's snowing. Storm Jonas is hitting the East Coast, and it's hitting it hard. In other news, Kids Ming and Family Fun Center is reporting they will be closing soon. So you better hurry to get your last-minute gameplay in.
Milk, bread, eggs, arcade. Milk, bread, milk, bread, milk and bread, milk, bread, eggs, arcade. Snow, lots of snow. And from what I've been told, the guys at Kids Dominion will stay open in a volcanic situation. They will close for nothing, so I'm hoping they're very true about this.
It's 3 o'clock, time for our local news. The big story is it's snowing. Storm Jonas is hitting the East Coast, and it's hitting it hard. Just coming in across our desk, all stores are reporting they are completely out of milk, bread, and eggs. Wow.
No milk? No eggs? No bread?
Well, we hope everyone didn't wait till the last second to get it. In other news, Kids Ming and Family Fun Center is reporting they will be closing soon. So you better hurry to get your last-minute gameplay.
But the family centers do.
Well, that's all for the 3 o'clock hour. We hope you enjoy.
Make it. Gotta make it. Not gonna make it. Not gonna make it. No eggs. No milk. Gotta make it. Gotta make it to the arcade. Oh, this guy got a sign. He needs some eggs. He's standing out in the middle of the road because he needs some bread and eggs. He's crazy.
Oh no. Oh no. Looks like they're closing down. Oh boy. Here we go. Gotta make it to the arcade. Come on. Don't close yet, baby. We can do this. We can do this. Go ahead. No one cares. Gotta make it to the arcade. 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 Here we go. Here we go. Right, please don't be close. Please don't be close. We can do this. We can do this. Come, yes. Here we go. Arcade. Come on. Anybody here? Hello? Anybody here? There's a big snowstorm. I just want to play a game real quick. Hello? Oh, that's pretty cool. Whoa. Hello? Hello? Anybody here? Oh, tickets. Tickets. I need tickets. More tickets. Hello? No eggs, no milk, no bread. But we got games. Alright. I don't see anybody. Hello?
Come on, babe. What are you doing?
No milk. No eggs. No plush. This snowstorm sucks, man. I hate living up north. I hate it.
One more credit. One more credit. Come on, baby. What's this? What's this? What's this? Oh, I ain't got no milk. I ain't got no eggs. But I got my plush. I just won't eat all weekend, I guess. That's okay. turn. Oh, that sucks. See? Be my squeaky heart. Be my squeaky heart. It's kind of cold too. I've heard other people talk about claw machines being in a cold area. Boy. Come on. Oh man. See what cheesy line this one has. Oh, just look. Come on. I think I can get him, but he's just really down in there. Come on. I haven't gotten a ninja before. Come on. Heck on it. There's no way I'm dropping it. That's good. Come on. Grab it. Keep it. That's cool. Ooh. Alright. Back on my journey. I hate snow. Hate it. Hate it. Hate it. Wintertime.
Leather seats. You know what? Leather seats should not be a selling point when you live up north. Because I'm just going to freeze my boot. Alright. Interstate 81. Somebody done wrecked. Not good. Apparently, they just said on the radio, this is basically just a big F-U. The big storm's coming. Up to 3 foot of snow. I cannot believe the first snow we get for the year is 3 foot of snow. Doctor, he's driving crazy. Driving the wrong middle of the interstate. Clown off.
Alright, Maxie. Since you've been out this morning, it's changed outside. There's been another foot fall. There, Maxie. A little bit of snow. Good potty. Good potty. The roof is caving in a little bit Good girl! Good girl! Shovel. Yeah, I think Linda gave him some of her. Pretty though. We just got back Braden's truck. We were letting. Check this thing out, guys. That is awesome. That is something that you put out in the snow. I just didn't want it to happen. I'll go back. Pile truck. Pile truck. Pile truck. Pile truck.